So one of the things that you can do is create out new web pages and generate the content using AI as well. So to do that, you can click on the paste button right here, and by default you get the describe a page to create an option right here. So I'm just going to go around and say create an information page where you describe the benefits of online education right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and hit the send button. And then what happens is that Copilot, the AI client for Microsoft Power Pages, will be going ahead and will be generating out the page for you. So you need to go ahead and wait for a bit. And then over here, you can see that this is what you have. You see a preview, so you have the option to delete it or keep it. So let's just go ahead and keep this out right here. And you can see that this is the page right here. This advantage of online learning right here, just like this. And then you got flexible scheduling, you got access to diverse resources, cost effectiveness, and so forth, as you can see right here. And then you can go ahead and edit it out as you please now. I can also go around over here and then let's say, for example, go to page settings, and then let's say, for example, rename this out onto benefits right here, just like this. Press OK, and then the page has been renamed as well. And you can also go ahead and see that update right here in the header. And that is how you can go ahead and create a new page using AI in Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.